Hello, my name is Mike. I'm the owner of BestRugPrices.com, and today I'm doing a little video to help promote our website and to tell you a little bit about what we do. What you're looking at on the screen is the front page of our Be Floored blog, and as you can probably guess from the title of the blog, we write articles on floor covering. We have articles where we do product reviews, we do cleaning and maintenance tips, we write articles on budgeting for your floor covering project, and we also have articles on strategies that we recommend that are going to get you the best possible pricing on your floor covering project. So if you have a floor covering project coming up, we strongly recommend that you check out this article that we just published called Be Floored, and I'm going to click to it. But in this article, which is about a 7-8 minute read, we have an entire section in the article about develop a shopping plan. And it's really critical when you buy floor covering that you do it the right way. Because if you do it the wrong way, it's going to cost you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars more than what you need to be spending. So if you do have a floor covering project coming up, highly encourage you to check out our article called Be Floored. And I'm going to put the link to the article in the description box below this video. But we have a whole section here, and we just go through it step by step to tell you how to buy flooring the right way that's going to save you a lot of time and a lot of money. So it's a simple read. We have a video here, and it's just great information that you need to know if you're in the market for floor covering. But as I go back here again, we're at bestrugprices.com. Our blog is called the Be Floored blog, and I'm going to put the link to our blog in the description below this video. I'd love for you to come check it out and read some articles and leave a comment or two and let us know what you think. Thank you.